All right, friends, so it's time to get started on doing your spark plug wires. Before you get started on that, though, we always like to make sure that you have safety as your number one concern. Eye protection and hand protection at all times. Aside from that, let's get into it. We're going to start right over here on the passenger side front of the engine. We're going to show you how to do one spark plug wire. They're all the exact same procedure, so I don't necessarily need to make you sit here very long and watch. Grab this right down here. You definitely want to make sure that your engine is not hot in any way. This area right along here is called your exhaust manifold, and if your engine's been running, it's going to be very hot. Assuming your engine's cold, we'll come right here, give this a nice twist. If it doesn't break free, you can use something like pliers or pretty much whatever you want because, well, the wire's garbage anyway. Grab onto it, twist, and pull. It should pretty much come right off of there. Now we'll come right up here. We're going to do the same thing. Twist it to break it free. Pull it down. There it is. Okay, so we've got our new spark plug wire here. Something to pay attention to is our old wire had a nice shield on here for the exhaust. Our new wire does as well. Before we go ahead and install this, we want to take a little bit of dielectric grease. It doesn't have to be very much. Go right along inside this area here where it connects onto the spark plug. Take some more. Go right along this area right here. The reason for doing this is it's going to make it so it's much easier to take off down the line, and it's also going to prevent moisture from getting inside there. At this point, we're going to let the bottom side dangle, and we'll put the top side onto the coil. Press it up on there, listen for a click. There it is. Give it a nice twist, give it a little tug, make sure it doesn't just fall right off of there. We're going to grab the bottom side, slide it carefully onto that spark plug. Make sure you're going straight on and you're not trying to force the spark plug in any direction it doesn't want to go because it is made of porcelain and it can break. Force this on. Listen for the click. Give it a wiggle. Give it a tug. Do the same down the line to all the rest.